Ever wondered how optical fibers work? How these thin strands of purity, no thicker than a human hair, carry information across the globe in the blink of an eye? Well, buckle up and prepare to dive into the fascinating world of optical fibers. Imagine a continuous beam of light, traveling through a glass tube. This is the basic principle behind optical fibers. They transport light signals over long distances, and they do it with an efficiency that leaves traditional copper wires in the dust. But how exactly does this work? It all starts at the source, where an electronic signal, say, a phone call or an internet search, is converted into a light signal. This conversion is the job of a light-emitting diode or a laser. These devices emit light when an electric current passes through them. Once the light signal is generated, it enters the optical fiber. This is where the magic happens. The fiber is made of two types of glass, a core and a cladding. The core is the inner part of the fiber where the light travels. The cladding surrounds the core and has a lower refractive index, which means light moves slower in it than in the core. When the light signal hits the boundary between the core and the cladding, something amazing happens. The light is reflected back into the core. This is called total internal reflection. It's a bit like a car hitting a wall and bouncing back, except with light, there's no loss of speed or energy. This process of reflection happens again and again, allowing the light to zigzag its way down the fiber even around corners and over hills. It's a bit like a super fast, super efficient game of pinball, but with light. This journey can continue for hundreds, even thousands of kilometers, with the light maintaining its speed and energy. When it reaches its destination, the light signal is converted back into an electronic signal by a photodetector. So, to recap, an electronic signal is converted into a light signal. This light signal zigzags its way down the fiber thanks to the principle of total internal reflection. When it reaches its destination, the light signal is converted back into an electronic signal. This is how optical fibers work, bringing us closer together in a world that can sometimes seem vast and unconnected. Optical fibers are a testament to the power of light and the ingenuity of humanity. They form the backbone of our modern communication networks, allowing us to share information, ideas, and emotions across the globe in an instant. They are, in a word, essential. And now, you know how they work. Can you imagine a world without them?